So basically, this is going to be like a word problem, okay? And so, let's say we had 3 teams. Name one of your favorite teams.
U of L, I guess.
No, WKU.
U of L.
WKU.
Okay, WKU. One more team.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
The Patriots.
Patriots. Well, those are not.
Or the Vikings.
This is an NFL team, and these are college. That's okay. We're just pretending. Okay, now I have 14 pizzas. Okay, and we have to split these pizzas up into 3 teams. How am I going to do that?
Wait,
Yes.
how many pizzas do you have?
14 pizzas.
You're gonna give.
How much will each team get?
Well, it depends on how many people are in a team.
Yeah, well, they're just wanting to give the same amount to every team.
So 14.
So what will I do? Yes.
You will divide.
No.
Yes.
Yes, I'm going to divide because I have 14 pizzas and I'm going to divide it up in how many ways?
3.
4.
3.
3 different ways. So, everybody look, we're going to take 3 and go into 14. All right, what's the closest without going over?
4.
4. 3 times 4 is
12.
12. Subtract and I get 2. Now, watch what I'm going to do. I think I taught y'all this the other day.
Yeah.
Me bring it up. Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
2
And
thirds.
slide this over. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So, every team gets how much?
4 and 2 thirds.
Okay, so 4 whole pizzas and then 2/3 of another pizza. Right? Is that what I'm saying? Yes, it is. So, they would end up getting 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th pizza, it would be broken up into how many pieces?
3.
3. And they would get 2 of them. And this slice would go somewhere else to another one. Does everybody understand? Okay. Now, let's say I had a whole circle. Now, how much does a whole circle equal? Who remembers?
It's 100%.
100%. Very good. So, drawing a whole circle, which equals 100%. All right? And if I divided this into thirds, then each piece is what percent of the circle? So,
Fourths.
how am I going to do this?
Thirds.
Thirds. I'm going to break it up into 3s. Okay, now, how do I figure out what each section percentage is?
By dividing.
Dividing, yes. So what am I going to divide?
3 and
You're
2.
going to divide 3 and 100.
100 divided into 3 pieces, right?
I know the answer. I know.
So watch this, 100 divided by 3, right? So tell me how to do it. Sarah Kate.
3 goes into 10 3 times.
Very
and
good.
then you subtract the 9 and you get a 1.
Very
You
good.
bring down the 0.
Very
And
good.
then you're going to put 3 again. Cause it
Very
goes,
good.
And then you're going to put a 9.
Yep.
And then subtract that and you get a 1. And
Okay.
then 1/3.
We're going to bring it up here. Slide the 3 over.
Yeah.
So, what percent is each section?
33 and 1/3.
Uh-huh. So watch this. 33 and 1/3. 33 and 1/3. 33 and 1/3. Now watch what happens when I add those.
Multiplier.
Okay, let's say I'm adding all of those, right? Okay, 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals
1/6.
1 whole. Now think about that.
No, 3/3.
Yes, very good. Okay, and we're going to change this in just a minute, so just leave that there for just a minute. And what is 33 plus 33 plus 33?
9. 99.
99. Okay, so check this out. 99 and 3/3. What does that?
100%.
What does it mean, Miss Bill? What does it mean?
100%.
Yes. Why?
Because 3/3 is the same as 1.
Yes. So if I were to draw this, and I had 3 filled in out of 3, it makes a whole. So 99 and 3/3 is actually 100%.
Just like 2.
Very good.
Isn't she a great teacher?
I
I just want to ask you to leave that scripture up there.
surely will.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
We're not taking that down.
Okay.
That's it.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay. I sure will.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So everybody feel like they understand?
Yep.
Okay, good stuff. All right, now let's go on and we're going to do some adding whole numbers and fractions. Okay, so
Ooh, I know that. I love this.
yes,
I know how to do this.
Wait, are we on?
no, we're still on the same lesson. I don't know why they do that. We're gonna also do a different part of the lesson. I don't know, they had 2 parts to this lesson.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay,
I
so
had that to a lot of lessons.
here's an example. They said 5 plus 1.5. Now,
What do we do on our paper though?
nothing, just keep taking notes.
Oh, what are
Okay.
we supposed to write?
I mean, you can just put, I mean, you don't, just put, maybe put a line if you want to, or put part B, however you want to do it. Part 2.
Part.
This is part 2 of this lesson. Okay, so I have a whole number, and I have a,
A half.
Half.
A whole and a
whole
half.
half. A whole and a
And
fraction.
a half.
which means it's a
Mixed number.
mixed number. So I have a whole number and a mixed number. So when I'm working something like this, I put my whole numbers together, and then my my fraction part together. Even though this is a whole mixed number, we're gonna put the fraction on this side and the whole number on this side. Okay, now what should I do?
We're gonna do 5 plus 1, which
Uh-huh.
is 6, and then it'll just be 1/2.
Very good. Okay, so the half is just there. There was nothing up here for us to add. So we just did 5 plus 1 is 6, and then we just have a half left over. Okay, let's try another one. 1, this one's kind of easy. You can even just do it in your head. Add 1 plus 1/2.
1.5.
1.5. Ding, ding, ding. Good. So basically I had a whole, and then I had a half. How much did I have?
1.5.
Okay, pretty simple. All right, try this one. This one's a subtraction problem.
These are just
3.5 minus a half. Pretty simple.
3.
3. So basically I had 3 whole, and then a half, and then they told me to take away the half. So what do I have?
3.
Okay, pretty simple, huh?